Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream. It is Thursday, the 26th of March, 2026, and I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're crushing it. And if you are, put them ones in the chat. You know it already. You know that Nick guy who always spams the chat. If you beat him in spamming the chat with ones, we might get you guys a giveaway. Let's see. Oh, there's the Celine girl as well, trying to beat me. Damn it. Hope you're all doing well.
I have to beat you at something.
Yeah, well, keep trying. But if you don't know, chat, who this is our one and only Australian Balinese ICT trading, 15-minute sweeping, 1 minute inversing, newly fiancé club member, North saying, daughter saying, back gambling, not to Mexico flying, airport heading, AI trading, movie trailer, voice heading, positive audio, 9 cat, tinker watching, filet of fish hating, chair crashing, FIFA losing, code of stop loss, roaring kitty. Sophie, good morning. How are we doing?
Good morning. How's everyone doing? Happy Thursday, chat. I hope everyone had an amazing Wednesday. And like I said, I hope you guys use Wednesday to reset. There was some nice trades in the market yesterday. Lots of volatility, obviously, in that New York session. Damn, we can talk about that. But yeah, it's a new day. It's a new session. As always, I hope everyone is locked in, focused, disciplined. Nick, can we stop with the ones? I'm giving my important intro here. And yeah, as usual, guys, get locked in. Let's stay disciplined and hopefully catch a winner. I have already been in a micro gold trade, so already took the L on the gold trade yesterday that I was trading live with you guys, and then got gold back this morning. So I'm happy. I redeemed it. But anyway,
you redeemed it. Oh, how nice.
Oh yeah.
Was that a cue?
That was, but you didn't catch on. Anyway, we do have a surprise today, so we will reveal that a little later on. But
a little later on, being right now, we have a guest. We have a guest on stream today. It is Hussein, Captain Trade. So let's bring him on and go to the charts.
Hello, everyone.
Good morning or evening for you, Aussie.
Good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is in Bali.
For real. This time, I don't know what's up with that. But Roman, if we can, let's go open the charts as well, so we see that. And Hussein, welcome to Tradeify TV. Let's give the chat a little intro. Who are you and how did you get into trading?
Okay, I have been. So let's start with my background. I was a licensed pilot, still am, and I got into trading during COVID, as probably many people did. The thing is, trading and aviation, pretty much the same. Checklists, procedures, risk management, it went hand in hand. So I thought there has to be a way around when everybody got locked down. I'm sure Selena remember the crazy lockdowns we had in Melbourne. For the worst in the world it was. 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, and soon they're going to say don't even leave the house. And yeah, I thought there has to be a way. Got into trading, started with crypto, then options, and then the good old world of futures. And the rest is history.
Nice. That's sick that you're a pilot. So that Captain Trade's name makes sense now.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Had to do it.
Of course you had to do it.
That's awesome. So you're still flying?
Yes. I flew out of Moorabbin Airport, Essendon, cross country, all over Australia.
That's awesome.
Yeah, pretty nice. Sometimes you don't see somebody for 6 hours, and then just a plane would fly by, and you're like, oh, another human being, because it was that fast, that vast of a land.
But are you like a commercial airline pilot or just private pilot?
Commercial.
Oh, nice.
I was going to do Air Force, and then I thought, probably not, because it was around 2005. We're getting involved into some different places. Australia was
Australia,
yeah. So I thought maybe let's skip that for now.
Yeah, good choice.
I am from Iraq, so I think you can. I was born in Iraq. So someone from Australia, yeah, Iraqi born. I was a refugee. Came here as a refugee in 1996.
Oh,
spent 6 years in a refugee camp, and then straight to Australia.
And and then so you moved to Melbourne.
Yes, we moved straight to Melbourne from refugee camp. Yeah, it was crazy.
What a small world. That is awesome. And we do have some Aussies that watch us in the chat as well. So there are a few. I know Jimmy
to everyone.
fellow Jimmy Trades is a fellow Aussie. There's a few of us. So I'm very happy to be joined by you today, Hussein, because I get a lot of slack here from my accent. Not only my accent, but also like the lingo I use. We'll get into that later anyway. But
got reinforcement.
Wait, Hussein, are you calling this shit tomato sauce as well?
Tomato sauce? No, we call it tomato sauce.
Oh, see? I got.
Nice try. And
Hussein,
no, that's not the question. The question is, why do you have that next to you?
Let's not talk about it. We're gonna piss off Celine. I don't want that. Not that early.
Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh, I cannot wait. Anyway, London has opened.
Yeah, let's dive into the charts. And actually, Hussein, you got the honors today. What are you seeing right now?
Okay, let's break down the chart from high time frame to lower time frame. Let's do a top down analysis. You guys doing NQ?
Yep.
Whatever you're analyzing. You can analyze soybeans if you trade soybeans, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Whatever you want. The model that I use doesn't really care. It's as long as there's a high time frame chart, we have we can get a trade out. All right, if we're looking at NQ, we could see that Asia's session has opened a little higher, tried to break some of New York's open range and failed. Down to the 4 hour, we've got a nice 4 hour imbalance down below. I can see that the new 4 hour candle has appeared. We're sweeping higher. We should start to see rejection and come to the downside. So I'm going to be targeting, here is a trade. I'm looking for a flip of the 4 hour candle to the downside and grab, well, at least some of that big impulsive move that we had the other day. The insider trading.
Do you usually set multiple targets?
Yes, I do. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So I use the Fibonacci.
4 targets?
Yep.
And so you use what Fibonacci levels do you use for targets?
Give me a moment. I think this is a bit too much. I'll do a 115-point trade. A 1 to 3 risk to reward.
That's a big trade on NQ.
Yeah, that's a lot. Is that like an average trade for you? You're normally going for these bigger moves?
No, I usually have even 70 to 100 point take profit ones. It's normal. So if you look on my Instagram, you see some of the trades. Because I trade the higher time frame. So these are the levels I use.
Yep.
So you trade smaller size for these bigger targets? Like what's your usual size?
The risk to reward that matters, to be honest. It's not about the size of your stop or the size of it. It's the size of the contracts if you're talking about that.
That's what I'm talking about. Like what's your usual contract size when you take a trade?
If I'm using a 50, I trade my live account. If I'm using a funded account, for example, 50K, 1 to 3 micros. Anything above that is probably suicide. 100K, you can probably bump it up to 4 or 5. 150K, why not smash a mini in there, I guess.
As in like 150K account size?
Yeah.
But
50K, you shouldn't be going higher than 3 micros.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. And with your fib, like that you just drew there, where do you anchor that to?
So with the Fibonacci, I anchor that from my target. So I begin at my target. And I have 0.27 at my entry. So the 0 is my TP1, 0.5 is TP2, and obviously TP3 is the target. So what I'm targeting in this case is the bottom of Tuesday's open range. That's my TP3.
And what do you need as confirmation to enter the trade in this case?
So what I'm trading is the 4 hour. Let me get my indicator up. I don't like having indicators on the chart. Some people here from my mentorship in the stream right now, they know that I hate it. So I'm using the 4 hour candles anatomy. I can see we have opened to the downside. gone up. I'm expecting a rejection for it to come back down because the next high time frame target is down below. Oh, sorry, I'll remove this.
Okay, interesting. So it doesn't matter. You wouldn't consider the fact that the 4 hour already has the bottom wick to go down yet again.
Yeah, so I'm seeing this as a liquidity pool that it will try and come back to. So this is a bounce because what happened here was a bounce from this liquidity pool.
Interesting.
This is the main target. This is not a random. This is a random high time frame target. Down here is an actual draw on liquidity. So as you can see, we are in a downtrend. We're looking for it to continue on the downtrend. And if we get our fibs, we should see that we are probably at the 0.5, and there you go. There is the 0.5.
I can see it's rejected nicely off that. Cool.
So just looking for a flip, the nice displacement, some volume behind it, straight down.
Cool. And you have a limit order, or what's your start to enter in your trades? Is it market or?
Market order or limit order, just depends on the volatility. So right now we can see that we're probably going to get our little trade.
Coming on stream, taking a trade right away. Love it. Love that.
Yeah, that's how usually I am. 3 minutes, 4 minutes into live streams. Because I start just before a 4 hour candle appears. So this happens with every 4 hour candle.
Looks good. Well, that would be awesome if you can enter, because I mean, for me, I'm not looking at anything just yet. I do trade similar to you in the way of like the 4 hour. I do use that to anchor my sort of bias for the London session, that is.
Wow,
and right, what was that? Sorry.
I say for the bias. So just back it up with the daily and all of that.
And so, like right now, for me, getting
trade is in.
Oh,
all right, there we go. Roman, let's go to
everyone. Don't get crazy.
Captain chart. Thank you.
Nice, take it away. That would be sick if you get your first win on stream with Tradeify TV.
By the way,
I'm still going to go short regardless, even if it comes back up and takes it out. Short seems to be the direction that the high time frame wants to go in.
By the way, Trades by Neo is asking, how long does Captain usually stay in a trade? Up to 4 hours or?
No. So sometimes the volatility is there. So we've got this nice draw. It will sometimes push through. If I have to stay the whole 4 hours, I leave it open and go to sleep.
All right.
Because let it chop and turn. Whatever the market does, everything that you see is inside a high time frame candle. We're just looking at different time zones. But if you're looking at one high time frame candle, you're only seeing that one candle go up and down. So it can chop and turn, but the high time frame targets are there.
So it's kind of like a way for you to stay mentally sane, just looking at the higher time frame.
Yeah.
Well, scalping opens the way to revenge trades. I'm sure some people get into quick trades in and out. But then when do you stop? Some people just don't get enough. They love it. Keep winning. And then that big loss comes, wipes out everything they did. And then they try a revenge trade. And that goes even further into drawdown.
It is true. And it's like, I guess with trading a high time frame, you get a bigger picture, sort of like when you're in the trade, you don't see a lot of the noise. So I think it definitely gives you the cleaner sort of setup. For me personally, I can't do it because I don't have the patience. I just know I couldn't have a good night's sleep if I knew I was in a trade. I don't know.
What do you usually target?
For me, I normally target, it depends on like the range that I'm working with on the NASDAQ or most recently gold. It can vary between like just taking a fixed 1-to-1, or if I see there's like range to the left that, for example, Asia range has been left untouched, like say Asia highs in place, and I would potentially just take a contract off at 1-to-1 and then let it run to like a key level, like an Asia high, or if that previous 4 hour
so
high.
You target 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk to reward on average?
Yeah, it varies. Yeah, it just depends. Sometimes, like yesterday in New York, I took like a 1-to-6 or something, but that was just because I saw there was range to the downside in that short that I was in. So I don't want to say that it's fixed, but more often than not, it's normally like a 1-to-1, like a base hit. And only if I like at my discretion feel like there is room in this trade and there's momentum, then I will just trail and be targeting like a key level. And yeah, so it does vary. But yeah, I like your method already. I mean, your trade's already working out. So
I'm not even looking at it.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks good.
Confidence, full confidence.
Nice.
There you go. Take profit 1. Good job.
Awesome.
Nice.
So take profit 1 is not too bad. 24 points. So this full trade is 115. I think it will go more than that, but we're just going to leave it there.
Awesome.
That's it.
And with your trailing, like, do you trail your stop or anything at this point now? That
No, not yet. So when I reach a 1 to 2 risk to reward, so I already trim here. And then when I reach roughly a 1 to 2, so I've got a 29 point stop loss here. So I'm going to get about 60 points in, which is pretty much at these lows. I'll start to trail it. But what I am looking at now is I'm looking for a proper flip of the 4-hour candle, which is what just happened. So our entry is pretty much the open price of the 4-hour candle. So the 2 AM candle. So when it flipped there, that's what I mean with a flip and displacement. Got some volume behind it. So 1,000 is probably the highest that it's had. So that shows you intention. It shows you intention. It shows you that the market is actually intending to go lower. With that.
Yeah. No, that's definitely, you have Sniper entered that. You got the volume on your side, so it looks good. I don't want to be too overconfident, but you are getting the volume, so it looks good.
That's true. That is true. Celine, what are you seeing?
Yeah, right now, so in terms of the NQ, for me, I'm looking at the 4-hour bullish gap that we still are in from that Monday push. So until that gets closed over, to me, I still see this market as bullish. So as long as we're respecting the 50% level of that, which is around the 24,134 mark on the NQ, I still think that this could potentially go higher. So we have tapped into that yet again. We're also in a 1-hour bullish gap. I do see potential to sweep out these lows on the 1 hour, which is like perfectly placed around that 50% level of the 4-hour gap. So if we get down there, we also have swept out previous 4-hour lows. So Nick, you already know I'm trying to long this.
Of course.
If I can get some sort of like a sweep of a previous 15-minute low in line with that, with a bullish displacement and an inversion, I will take my entry. I do like that we're still respecting higher time frame bullish gaps. So potential to long in here, but I do definitely see the levels at that low is 24,134 as a potential to sweep out before going higher. So I'm just aware of that. And also we have swept out Asia low. So this is why I am... What's that, sorry?
I said yesterday's Asia. You probably get your longs around TP3 for this trade.
Nice. So I'll let you take your TP3 and then I'll get in for the longs.
That's a fair exchange.
Yeah. But yeah, if I don't get that set up and if Nasdaq just wants to dump here, I will sit out because that's not my sort
on the
of
same
setup.
team, Celine.
Hey?
Don't jinx it. After TP3, take your longs.
Yeah, I'll wait.
I just seen the chat. Hello everyone. Well done. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Somebody asked if I'm from Iran. I was born in Iraq, right next door.
Almost.
But I live in
neighbors.
Australia.
People are asking for your socials. Where can people find you online?
Socials, Captain Trades on Instagram. I'll post. Can I post it?
Let me drop the link 1 second. 1 second, because you can't drop links. I can though.
Roman, do we want to switch back to Hussein's chart? He's in a trade. Just so they can...
Here you go, chat. Here's Hussein's Instagram.
Thank you very much. Hello to all my students here in the chat. We've got Mr. Nigel Challenger. So Nigel's my right-hand man. He's a 30-year, he's been training bodybuilders for 30 years.
Training bodybuilders?
Damn.
He trains bodybuilders.
Wow.
30 years.
It's a lot of...
Maybe Nick
can
help you
build.
with your fitness aspirations.
I mean, I guess fitness and trading, they really do go hand in hand. It's like a common occurrence.
Well,
If you're a trader, you're most likely into fitness and health. It's just like
It's the exact same
all the
thing.
good disciplines.
Plans, diet, training, routine.
True.
It's all there. It's exactly the same.
True.
Awesome.
Let's see. London range so far is from high to low 84, 85-ish points. So pretty good volume as well. Let's see. Not seeing any trades for my setups right now.
Nope.
We're chilling,
Me
enjoying Hussein's trade.
Yes.
Hoping you bank.
Looks like it. TP2 incoming.
Olivia is asking, so Woody gotten in at 310 since it flipped to 2 a.m. open, or does something else confirm the flip?
Where was the question? Sorry.
Olivia, just like 5 messages ago.
310 since it flipped to 2. Something else confirms, yes, volume and momentum. So if you look on the lower time frames, you'll see displacement with volume and momentum. There is more behind it, but I'm just keeping it visually easier. So if you want to pair it up with your VWAPs or EMAs, whatever people use, you'll find that they're all pretty much within a 4-hour candle.
Mm-hmm.
And Hussein, Sandy's asking in the chat, do you live trade every day? Do you have like a
Yes,
YouTube?
I do. I live trade every single New York session.
Nice.
I can't believe you're in
crazy.
Australia
Crazy.
trading those hours. That's like
It's crazy.
insane.
It is crazy.
Yeah, your hours are insane, man.
I'm a nut. Okay. Look, I've only slept 3 hours. You can probably tell.
Wow.
Can confirm I
move.
was trading New York PM. People in
What?
the chat that were with me, I was trading the New York PM.
What's keeping you in Australia?
What's keeping me in Australia?
Mm-hmm.
Good question. What are you trying to say? Come to Europe?
I'm just trying to say that there are
No,
easier time
I
zones
mean,
to
how
trade.
could you not love Australia? Celine, I don't know. You tell him.
I don't know.
Good for
I don't want to
Melbourne.
get into it. Don't ask me because I'm moving to Greece actually in June, so I'm not the one to ask.
You win.
No, well,
I'm
the
over
weather's
it.
terrible at the moment, but oh God, little baby's crying.
Oh, have you got
We hear it.
kids?
I've got 3.
Three
No
kids.
way. You
Damn.
seem so young.
Yeah.
I'm 39 years old.
What the hell?
No way.
How do you look like 30? What the fuck?
That is crazy. What is the
I
secret?
guess. They keep me sane.
That's
No,
crazy.
I don't know.
That's awesome.
I don't know really, to be honest.
I would have bet my hand that you're not older than 30. That's
No, I
crazy.
thought you'd
I'm
definitely
almost
be
40
around the
years
same
old,
age.
yeah.
Yes, I just lost a hand. Mo in the
I've got a
chat says,
big
bro looks
hair coming
16.
in.
Bro looks
Maybe I'm hiding it with the fades. Just getting rid of the hair. No.
That is
I was-
awesome.
Yeah, just at the end of 86. We've got Ali here from London.
I kind of don't believe it.
Yeah, same.
The guy's
You
capping.
look too young.
I'm not.
So you definitely obviously take a lot of care in your health and fitness as well.
I
Other
do
than
not
training.
right now, not the sleep. This
this
Discord thing has killed me. I
The
don't
sleep
know
is too
why I
hard.
started. It's gonna kill me eventually. Yeah, but trying to keep up with diet and nutrition. I've got
Yeah.
some great coaches with me in my server. They're probably in the
That's
chat.
awesome.
Yeah, I mean, look at this trade. Ooh.
Looking good.
Looks good.
Looking good. Looking good.
I don't want to get too technical with it because if you want, we can. Fibonacci is awesome. Fibonacci.
I
is
use
awesome.
Fibs too. Not for targets though.
Look at this.
Well, technically I do, but
Fibonacci. Well, there has to be some order to the chaos. You got to admit.
true.
Markets could seem random, but I find the only order that I can see is Fibonacci sequence.
Yeah. Yeah, fair. Fair. Let's see. What's the chat saying? Nation is asking Celine, are you going to go long if that 1 minute IFVG forms?
I was just about to answer that. I'm thinking about it. I know that we're sort of in the middle of the range here and we haven't yet taken out a swing low at least. So I think it's a little less probability. If I do take this, I'm going to take it with micros.
Mm-hmm.
Just to be safe. Let's see.
Just passed my select 50K. Well done. Went over consistency. Yeah, I find that losing money to meet consistency is easier than making money, but it's harder than making money. Do you guys agree?
Yeah, it's like whenever you want to lose money, you make money.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're like, well, why can't I make money when I was trying to make money?
Just always try to lose money. Easy.
Hello, Doha.
Easy peasy.
Stooge CHPT, could you please repeat your reasoning for the trade coming from the 4 hour? Thanks. That's for you, Hussein, to just quickly go over your reasoning for your trade, I guess.
Could you please repeat? Okay, yeah, sure. So I did a top-down analysis. I started off with the 1 day. We can see that we opened during Asia, came up, took out Asian Open, which was yesterday's Asian Open. We flipped daily candle, so that's already giving me bearish vibes. Trying to sound like one of the younger folk. Okay, here is the 4 hour, not 4 minute, 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour. See, we've also come up on the 2 a.m. So we'll put in that top wick. So I was expecting it to flip to the downside and continue to take out at least this 4 hour low. It might continue lower, but who knows? I just wait for my confirmation on the lower time frames. Entered at the exact 2 a.m. opening price, and the rest is history.
There you go.
ES has not swept the low yet. NQ has.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't get that inversion I wanted, so no entry for me. Just gonna wait it out.
Suriluki in the chat, who's saying Suriluki is one of our OGs and he always wants to know what we have for lunch and dinner. So now he's asking, what did Captain have for lunch today?
If I tell you, you wouldn't know any Arabic food, would you?
Well, we can Google it. So
I would. I might. I'm half Lebanese. I might know.
You know the Arabic foods.
You can try
Iraqi kebab.
Kebab.
Well, I
kebab.
know that. I'm Swiss.
Everyone knows that.
It's not the kebab off the no. If we've got the little skewers, flip them over the fire.
I know.
Nice. Yeah. Delish.
Kebab, as the Persians would say. Kebab. Kebab. Kobe there. Where's Ali? Ali's in the chat. Ali's my Persian friend.
Kieran, how much ketchup did you have on it, Captain?
That's the right question, Kieran.
That is.
You call it ketchup?
No, this is the whole thing. So I came onto the stream and I said something. We were talking about ketchup, and I called it tomato sauce. And these guys think that tomato sauce is like passata, like what you use in.
Different thing. Tomato sauce and ketchup are two different things.
Yeah, tomato sauce.
One gets you to diabetes quicker than the other.
No, wait. So when you're at like an Australian bakery, for example, and you're ordering like a pie, and they say, "Do you want tomato sauce?"
Yeah, with the little squeezy things.
Yeah, that's the same. That's Heinz ketchup, but we call it tomato sauce, and they think that's weird.
Well, wait till they find out what we call sausages.
What do you call it?
That one's a bit strange. We call them snags, but I don't actually do. That's just like way too Aussie for me.
Snags,
brother.
I know, that's just a weird word. I don't know where that one comes from. I'm not part of that.
Snags. Yeah, Justin, ketchup and pasta. Tomato sauce is what you put on pasta, and ketchup is what you put on meat, like thick.
Who are you people?
That's what I mean.
Ketchup
They're
and
crazy.
pasta.
I'm outnumbered in today's stream. We'll be back to roasting Celine tomorrow.
I love this.
I'm going to be here all the time. If that's how you're going to treat my fellow Aussies, you can't.
See,
It's not what
that's
this
one
country's
thing about
about.
Aussies. Like
True
we actually
blue,
back
mate.
each other
True
up.
blue.
Well, here's the thing. In June, she's gonna be my fellow European. So then
This
she's
is
super
true.
You can't take
Yeah.
the Aussie out. She's half Lebanese too. And there's no way you can change her. No,
That is true. That is true.
no way.
But I will say, like, there are differences between the Europeans and the Australians. Like, Aussies are just so, I don't know. I don't think there's any other, like,
Laid
type
back.
of person than is just, yeah, very chill, very laid back,
back.
very.
Well,
like-
question to both of you now.
Uh-huh.
Let's assume tomato sauce is what we call ketchup. So what is the sauce called, the red sauce that you put on pasta?
Passata. It's called passata.
You lady have a problem.
Passata. Ask any Italian. It's called passata sauce.
You have
All
a
right,
problem.
Roman, can we go to my charts, please?
Oh, it could be bolognese.
Passata is a staple
Depends what
Italian
kind of-
uncooked sieve
what kind of
tomato
pasta
puree.
you talking about, Nick?
1 second, he's saying I just need to prove this point. 1 moment. Look at this, Nick. Is that what you put on your bolognese? See? Passata. Then you have this. Oh, wait.
All right. Take profit two. Take
That's
profit
different.
two.
That is
7 points to take profit two.
You just roasted herself. Let's fucking go.
what the hell, Google? What the hell?
Yes. See, we
Google
got
doesn't
proof.
know shit.
We
Google
got
doesn't
proof. Chat.
Bro.
W Nick in the chat. Let's go.
Whatever.
EP2 coming in.
Nice. All right, let's go to
75.
Hussein's charts.
Well done, everybody that took the trade.
Well done.
Good job,
Killer
guys.
trade.
You need to be chill when you're trading. If you're out, I'm serious. Like, you guys look around you when you trade. Who is there? Who are you trying to impress when you trade? Nobody. Who are you scared of when you trade? Nobody. Just putting these fears inside your own heads. You should be
Yeah,
chill
that
when you
was
trade. It means
very
you don't trust
calm.
yourself.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
If you don't trust yourself, close the trade. Simple as that.
For real. Wise
So do
word
you fi-
spoken.
Do you find yourself, Hussein, ever like leaning into those toxic trader traits like revenge trading or any of those
Everyone
yeah,
does.
but
It's a human
and how do you
behavior.
get around that? Because you seem like a very wise
How do I get around revenge trading?
or any of those toxic traits that we all sort of have.
Okay, all of these traits that we have come from two things, either fear or greed.
Mhm.
Okay, if I'm scared to lose a trade, I shouldn't be trading. So I come into every trade, I plan as if I'm going to lose every single trade. So if you know you're going to lose every trade, how would you plan for it? That's one.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah, well, it helps you with your sizing. It helps you with your, and for my stop losses, I know somebody asked, what I find is I find a point of invalidation. So if I'm going short, well, at one point on the chart, if it was to go higher, it will invalidate my short. So in this case, we started off up here. So if it were to break new highs on a 4-hour candle, then obviously my short is invalid. And as the trade goes through with momentum, I decrease it until it's eventually non-existent. And there, we've got no more stress. In regards to fear, so fear comes from the fact that you're not confident. You're not confident in the model that you choose. You're not confident in the sizing. And you cannot convince me a grown adult does not know when they are overtrading or oversizing. We know exactly when we screw up. We know exactly what we did, which is why we're nervous. Right? If you find yourself nervous, close the trade. It's better for you because you are no longer trading. If you feel like you're not confident and when the trade is already in, is it going to stop me out? Close the trade. Save yourself the headache because you're going to open the door to all the other bad things that are going to it's going to spiral into other things, obviously. And the last question you asked is, how do I find myself What was the last question? Sorry, Celine.
I guess and how do you deal with when those sort of thoughts are coming through? Do you while you're trading, or
If I identify them,
are you stepping away from the charts,
this
or
is what I do.
yeah?
See you later.
Yeah,
Why?
yeah.
Because I know usually our brain gives us a sign. It gives us a sign before we start to. It's going to tell you, I'm overreacting. I'm about to overreact. I'm about to. So have you ever had that thought where maybe I should close it here? Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't.
Who hasn't?
That's your brain telling you, I'm about to freak out. Listen to it. Your instinct is always right. Even if the trade is going your way, close it when you think it is. If it's in green, close it. You didn't have that money. All right? You didn't have that money before you entered the trade. You're happily working for somebody else for $20 an hour. What's wrong with $200 in 5 minutes? Why not take it?
Literally. Sometimes it's easy to forget about just how how much money it really is. It's easy when you're copy trading accounts and you think,
it's the value of money.
Yeah, for sure, because it really
how easy it gets made.
Yeah, it's exactly that. It just comes so quickly sometimes, $200 in 5 minutes, but you forget you used to work for that for hours, and in 5 minutes you're not happy to take it.
You follow their rules, you follow their procedure, you follow their laws, but when it comes to yourself, you don't. You go to extreme lengths not to get fired at work, but you end up giving all the money back that you made, all the hard work within minutes when you're trading. And that comes back to the fact that we just want to escape the current life that we're in, and we're seeing trading as an escape. So we're really escaping our life when we start to overtrade and overreact. There's a bit more psychology to it. I don't want to get into it because I think the trade is going to happen.
I've just entered a long, guys. Also, I do want to cut you off, Hussein, because I was loving it. I know a lot of these guys. We love talking psychology.
I'm always on the chat, believe me.
So I just took a long only because I got that inversion with displacement on the 1 minute that I liked, and we have swept out the key levels that I was waiting for. So if I don't get the reaction now, I'd probably wait until we go then to these lower lows around that 50% level that I was talking about of that 4-hour gap, which is 24,134, but it was still worth a shot. I'm just trading with 3 micros right now. So I'm in small chat. I'm in a small size, and we'll see how this goes. Stop is at the lows. What is it exactly? It's
187.
22 points. Yeah.
Traders is talking to you, Nick. He's saying if TP2 hits, you got to give him a 50k select.
These guys will try anything.
Nice try. But we haven't set the like goal.
That is true.
Hussein, say any number between 400 and 500.
Ooh. Between 400 and 500. It's a bit random.
It's not random once you know it.
416.
416, right? Yeah. If we hit 416 likes, we're going to give away an account. Hussein decided.
That's funny because it probably would have been naturally. We would have done 415 today. So
yeah, that's funny actually.
It's not that hard, chat. It's not that hard.
Easy.
What's that movie with Will Smith? How they keep giving signs until they made sure the guy's going to pick number 55. What's it called?
Yeah, Focus.
Focus. That's the one.
I love that movie. Yeah.
I think you guys have been trying to program me 416, 416 the whole day.
We've been dropping hints. I was in Australia for the last few months on a mission.
And you've been in Australia for 4 years until you were 16, 416, things like that. There we go.
All right.
Okay, here's potential. Okay, I just got stopped out instantly there. So that's all right. That was the plan. And I think now I'd rather wait until this low gets swept out on the 1 hour. These lows at the 50% level. So we'll wait.
TP2 smashed.
Oh yeah. There you go. You got it from me.
I've got a thing in my live streams where whenever the trade hits TP2 or 3, we do CPT. But I'm not going to do that here. I think these people know what I'm talking about. There's a few people in my. Were you doing 3 minis, Celine?
No, I was just going to answer Amir. That's 3 micros. This is the MNQ chart.
I see. There you go. Andrew, Doha, they know what's up. So pick number 3.
Trader says, let's go. Where's my account? Your account is on the website, tradeify.co. Go there and then click whichever account you want. And then just apply or like insert your credit card details. And there's your account. You'll get it instantly. It's actually pretty cool.
You'll get it even quicker, yeah.
If you use code MAR for March, that's even going to give you a discount. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Amir thought Miriam is here. What the hell?
No, because well, he thought that I was trading 3 minis, and he's making a joke.
No, but that would be small size for Miriam, you know.
Oh, we got Trader Kane.
Good morning, Kane. We missed you the last couple sessions.
No.
You're too busy with your puppies, huh?
I mean, I get it.
Yeah, I do get it too. They're cute.
Wait, who's he saying thank you to?
Me?
I don't know.
What happened?
Did you give away an account?
Because he said don't forget to use code. I'm gonna shout it out now, Kane. Code LAB. That's why he said thank you to people who use code LAB.
Oh, right.
Because it's you, Kane. Because it's you. Usually we wouldn't.
Whatever. Sorry, you've been handing the market bucket loads of cash. Yeah. Me too.
We're holding the 200s here though, so far. Let's see. Let's see.
Hussein screen, please.
Asir says, Hussein screen, please. Roman, can we switch to Hussein?
Bit of accumulation. It's nothing.
Thank you.
Nothing to see here. Right. Just a bit of accumulation.
So are you copy trading this trade?
I'm only doing live account.
Oh, okay.
I didn't copy trade. I didn't set it up. And when I miss things in the process, I don't like to try and do it while in the trade or just before a trade. It's not meant to be. I just think
that's fair enough. There's nothing worse than like panicking and rushing before.
Panicking before a trade. The amount of times I've lost accounts with that. Oh no, wait, the microphone's not working. Oh, the lights. Oh, wait. Did I set my copy trade? Oh no, the trade's gone.
And
it's just panic and spiral. People watching. Not in.
It's happened to me. It's happened to me literally on stream before, where I've said that. All right, I'm going to get in this trade, and then I'm in with micros because I rush. I'm in with minis instead of micros because I'm rushed, and then it's gone. Then I have blown account.
Mini.
That happens.
Minis, micros.
Like, oh no, I'm on.
Then Discord starts playing up and just adds to it, and they're like, "Oh no, live stream's not working on Discord." And then if you get to record the trade that you did, they're like, "Oh no, I don't have any content for today. What do I do?" That's all right.
Amir's asking how many contracts are you in?
3 micros, live account. 3 micros. You don't need more than that. It's London session. It's not New York. You're not going to get the volatility that you're after. And there's no reason to trade more than 3 micros. They will set you free, especially if you copy trade.
Executing Visions. Did I and Spud play Pokemon? No, not yet. But he would get cooked. He doesn't stand a chance. I got Charizard level 78. I got Mewtwo. I got Suicune. I got Articuno.
You play Pokemon?
Hell yeah, we play Pokemon. Fuck yeah.
And we need to catch Zapdos still.
Yeah, Zapdos. I'm struggling with Zapdos, not gonna lie. I'll get it though. We're gonna catch it tomorrow on stream chat, as we did with Mewtwo.
That was sick.
How many caught this trade, by the way? Just curious.
A bunch of people. I saw a bunch of people in the chat before. Everybody who took this trade with Hussein, put a me in the chat.
There we go.
Amir says, let's play FIFA with captains.
Me or number one or something.
There you go. Me.
Yeah, a few of them. Nice guys.
Well, Angia took it 5 times apparently.
Oh, wow.
4 times.
Well, City took it with 3 macros. Nice.
Oh, the macros, nice.
Good old macros.
All right. I think this is going to be a bigger drop based on the rejection there at that accumulation zone. It's going to be a nasty one.
Little nasty dropper.
Think we can get our TP3? What do you think? So Celine can get her longs?
Yes, I have.
Order ready?
I'm waiting patiently. SMT right now with ES at that low, but I do think NQ is going to get there.
We wait.
I wonder if Kane's in any trades.
Of course he is. He always is.
Probably. Well, market is Kane's way wherever the volume is, so he's probably in these shorts.
Yeah, that's a fair point.
Oh no, he's not. He said he's not right now. Rare, very rare.
Oh, this is 115 points. Not really that much. I think we're going to keep pushing further to probably here and then rebound to take all of that right back to entry.
And so what is the fib level based on? Again, the last, like your TP3?
My TP3, so I find my target, my next high time frame target. So in this case, it's Tuesdays, the bottom of Tuesday's New York.
Oh yeah,
range.
that's right. Yep.
So I find my entry, find my target, then I run the fib from my target to my entry, just like that. Let me try. Oh, my screen's not on. There we go. So there we should match. 0 is TP1, 0.5 is take profit 2, and then well, obviously whatever you started, whatever your target is TP3.
Ooh, gold just swept previous Asia low. Getting a bounce there on gold. Damn.
You trading gold? Who's trading gold?
Interesting.
We are sometimes.
Today, I mean, I've already taken a micro gold trade, which was nice. But I don't really like anything else right now.
You guys trade YM?
No, not me.
Dow Jones. Dow Jones is the go-to.
Oh, so what are you trading? So you don't just trade NQ?
Oh, I trade everything.
Everything. Soybeans.
If it's anything. Because the model I use goes with anything. Because everything has a higher time frame candle.
But what markets do you actually trade? Even though it works with anything, doesn't mean you trade anything.
I trade indexes, obviously. So NQ, ES. Sometimes NQ doesn't have levels. ES does. If they both don't have, I'll go to YM. And sometimes I throw in a gold trade at the same time. Why not? If it's there, why not? And oil. Not trading oil these days because it's one tweet. Oh, I guess one tweet does the same thing for every market, but yeah.
Yeah, definitely. But oil is super crazy right now. Back to 93, actually.
I'm just envious of all these new traders. Anybody that's a 1 year, roughly, around 1 year, and they're coming into trading and learning and surviving in these markets. I'm really envious because they will turn out to be the absolute best traders that there ever will be when the markets calm down.
Yeah, I guess we are seeing. I mean, I didn't start too long ago. I traded like the 2024 and 2025 markets. So I missed the whole COVID.
Oh, you missed that that turnover from
I know, I missed the
Biden to
whole.
Trump.
Yeah, exactly. And I feel like a bit of regret. I feel like those were good years to be trading, as I hear. But yeah, I feel like I would be ready now after trading these last couple of
Oh,
years. I
you'll
feel
be
like
ready
I've
to go
seen
to
every
war.
market.
There we go. Take profit 3, coming in hot. What's that song? Coming in hot. Oil changed my life this year. Really? Oil's crazy. If you can catch these rebounds, it's stuck when they're in the range. Oil is the thing is with oil, there has to be a certain price that it has to stay within, because they look at the broader context of people. How much are these economies willing? The people in these economies willing to pay. So see, as soon as in Australia, we've got it at $3, Celine.
That's crazy. $3. Whoa.
For diesel, roughly
For
$3.
diesel?
For diesel, $3. So think of all these farms, $3 a litre.
Okay.
Unleaded is, well, I have to fuel with 95 or 98 octane, and that's about $2.80 on a good day now.
Wow. The last time I was in Australia, like unleaded 98 would have been like lower and like $2.
$3.20 in Brisbane today. Wow. And the funny thing is, Indonesia, it's not even as expensive, is it?
This is the thing, like, I don't know, like, I mean, I don't drive in Bali, so I'm not aware of like any of the fuel costs and stuff, but I was on a boat, like I went to an island just over the weekend. I did a bit of a day trip, and I don't know, fuel costs to them, like they were sending out like boats back and forth from the islands, like there was no issues.
And we're supposed to be, one of the big economies.
But here, I feel like nothing's really changed. But I don't know. I can't. That's probably not factual. But just seeing as though like they weren't, because I hear in Australia like things are starting to slow down. Like they are telling people to work from home if you can. Like don't drive as much because just there is a shortage right now.
I'm not concerned about the office workers. I'm concerned about the farmers. Everyone's going to go starving.
No, seriously.
All these machinery, equipment. They're actually calling for people to start donating to farmers. So that's the thing with oil. It needs to be within a certain price. So that's why it's always ranging between around, where do we say it was? On average, it's about 80 something. But it can't be too expensive because economies rely on the oil, not as much on the stock market. That's just investors. But oil is a commodity. It's the beating heart of most Western and non-Western economies. If it gets too expensive, then everything else gets expensive. Logistics, wages, everything else has to be measured in that context. So that's why oil right now they have to keep it within a reasonable price. Otherwise, the world is not going to handle expensive oil for too long.
I'm just
tomato sauce.
Sorry, Hussein.
Go for it.
What's that?
They're going to start using tomato sauce, right, Nick?
Oh yeah, good old tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
I was just about to enter a tray, but I'm not getting the reaction that I wanted. No, never mind.
It's going to be an impulse. How much volume have we got? Do you use order flow, guys? Nick?
I don't.
I don't.
I just take a glance at it every now. I do when I'm not sure of the range that we're in. But like I said, there's different factors you can use with this model. But sometimes when it's doing these kind of things, big wicks and big bodies, but it's still in the same relative area, I like to see who's winning the fight, who's winning the auction. Because at every level, as you know, is auctions between bids and asks. But it just seems like it's not leaving anything behind until it reaches a certain liquidity level to take all of these people out. So I think your longs are going to be very fast, Celine.
Yes, I'm just waiting for the signal for me.
How does order flow help when you can't see the range? Which range are you referring to? and depends. It depends also on what time frame or which platform you're viewing the order flow, because different platforms show it differently. Please don't use TradingView for order flow, please.
Okay. Kane says, do it, Celine.
Yeah, I was just going to say,
you,
stop the peer pressure.
why not use TradingView for order flow? Hussein.
Sorry?
Why not use TradingView for order flow?
Well, unless you have tick stream as part of your TradingView plan, you're going to get very delayed. So if you notice, for example, Tradeify, very quick. You see the candles, whereas TradingView is not very quick. Unless you pay the extra for tick stream, where you get the, it'll start to move as quick as Tradeify. But order flow, you need to have a fast moving chart.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I have a buy limit on.
Where?
24 I'm trading the micros again on this. 174.50. There was an inversion on the 1 minute. I just didn't like that it wicked when it closed, so I wanted the next minute to show a bit more strength, and so it did. So now I have a limit if I can still get filled at 174, or it might go without me. We'll see.
Is that a question for me? What do you recommend for order flow? Which platforms do you use right now? Do you use any? Do you use order flow in your trading? What platform? Use Bookmap. That's one way. I'm not sure if Tradeify has those platforms. There is ATAS and there's other platforms. Yeah, so there you go. Someone said ATAS.
Uh-oh, Celine.
Uh-oh. Are we seeing this?
I see it.
You both Celine's and longs?
No, I'm not in. Usually, like, what I would have done is market entered this at the 451, but I just didn't like the wick. So it was completely like discretionary that
Are you targeting these internal highs?
Oh no, I'm not in the trade.
I'm
not in the trade. And Kane says I'm sorry because this is probably him. He probably bought. Anyway, we'll see if it wants to come back and tag me in. We'll see, but we did sweep out a key level, and for all the other reasons I was bullish. I do like this for the lows.
I think this could go fast, very fast. Which it already is.
3 minutes till this hourly candle is over. That's probably.
Did you hit TP3, Hussein?
Not too far from it. Just 12 points, but.
All right.
We're looking at the 1 hour. It's going to open a new hourly candle. I think we're going to go a little higher and then lower. We'll see. Let's see.
Nice. Jonathan took the trade. Very nice. But yeah, let's see if this maybe 1 hour can flip down, tag me in. That'd be nice.
Hey, shout out to Leah. Good morning. How we doing?
Morning. We didn't do our morning round. Oh well, too late now.
We didn't. It's too late now.
By the way, guys, we said 416 likes today, and we're going to give away an account. So let's see where we're at.
416. Come on.
Let's see if they can do it.
Let's see. Okay, 253.
Not
doing bad. Could be better, but.
Do the Shia LaBeouf. Do it. Do it. Just do it.
Well, there's enough of you guys watching. If only half of you even just go and smash the like button now, we can give an account away. It's that easy.
It's true.
Come on, guys.
That easy.
It is true.
Start liking.
Tiag Jace, I'm long 1 minute IFVG. Nice. Yeah, this would have been a market entry for me. I just hesitated after seeing that body, that wick on the 1 minute. I don't know why. I don't know. Probably because I did take that short stop before, so I was waiting for a better reaction. But it is the setup. So
This is a better
W2. Maybe the hourly can come and tag me in. Let's see in 2 minutes.
Maybe. No. So how often, Hussein, how often do you fly?
I haven't flown in 2 years because I'm funding my flying. So I'm not working for anyone as a pilot, but I have it. So whenever I want to, just hire a plane off to the sunset.
Hell yeah.
Oh, just for like a hobby.
Yeah.
That's so
Nice.
sick. What a cool hobby to have. Like
$100,000 hobby.
Is that how much it costs?
Yes. And after I finished, they introduced government funding for it. I said, well, that's nice.
Aw.
Just as you
Brutal.
finished.
That is brutal.
Yeah.
Yes,
but,
Kwong. If you missed it, Hussein is actually a licensed pilot. That's where the captain comes from.
Captain Trades comes from.
So Hussein, I have a skydiving license. So when I come to Melbourne, I can jump out of your plane.
For sure.
Wait,
I would
you're
say
coming to
Melbourne is a good
Melbourne?
skydiving spot. I will
What's that?
take you to Ellie Beach. Celine
Sounds
would know
good. I have no
where
idea what
is.
that is, but it sounds
In the
good.
Whit Sundays. Look up Whit
Oh,
Sundays.
I've actually never been to the Whit Sundays, but beautiful place.
Ellie Beach is amazing. So you're
I know the one.
pretty much, tropical Australia.
Nice.
Tropical North
That sounds
Australia.
good.
And skydiving there is amazing.
Nice. Do you skydive?
I have, but not
Oh,
recently. A bit too old now.
am I the
Too
only
old,
one?
dude.
These things.
That's that. Dude is like fucking 17 and thinks he's too old.
Looks can be deceiving. I'm 1986. It's bad enough that it starts with a 19 and it
You
starts
look
with
so
there's
young.
an 8.
You look so young. It's crazy.
I'm tagged in this trade, by the way,
I was
but
about to say, Selena, you tagged.
yeah, I'm tagged.
Nice.
I don't want this hourly to come and sweep its previous low because then that's where my stop is. So
Yeah, that would suck.
That would suck.
oh, why? Why is it doing this?
What are you doing?
Okay, it's okay. You will get your long. Trust me.
I'm just gonna keep trying.
Of course, trust me, bro.
137. 137. You probably get a nice. If this breaks these lows, 137 is the next target. I've got it at 140 just to be safe because NQ likes to finesse people these days. But 137, you probably get a nice big reaction to the upside.
Let's see.
All right, let's see. What have we got, NQ?
This tennis ball is coming right towards a brick wall at 137 to 133 between there.
The business lens says, Celine, if you lose this trade, you're a bot. Well, if she wins, she's also a bot because she's AI.
Whatever. The business lens is just—he's always got something to say.
He's
he?
always raging.
He's the one that's like, buy gold, never lose, right? That's him.
No, that's not him. That's trading markets.
Oh yeah, that's the other hater in the chat. Jack says, Celine gambling lol. Yeah, what's wrong with a little bit of a gamble? No, but this I would have already been in this trade. I'm just sort of getting a late entry. And it might
I like it.
be doing me an injustice to be entering this late, but we'll see.
Joey Fiu says, I came for the potato and there's no potato. So here's the thing. Potato will be here at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's
The
when you're gonna
Lord
tune in.
is getting his rest right
The
now.
Lord Sputnik.
The Lord.
Yep.
Nick with his black and red chart. Is that
What do you
your
mean
chart
black
down
and
there?
red? The dark one is mine.
What are you watching at the moment? You're watching NQ, S&P?
NQ, ES, gold, and just NQ on a higher time frame.
Okay.
And the VIX.
Oh, good old VIX.
Yes, sir.
I'm actually gonna give my trade more room here. Oh, as I say.
As you say it.
Damn it, I was just calculating stops. All right.
This is the last hour of the 4-hour candle. I think you'll get your retracement. So what you find now is this current 4-hour candle will place itself a little higher. So the next one will overlap the body, almost some of the body. So if
I've
you
just
know,
seen also ES has taken that low, so there is an SMT there forming as well now.
SMT.
Just as I was about to, I would have just moved my stop. I just calculated another 20 points, which would have been fine because I was only in 2 micros. So I was happy to risk a little more.
Wait, but you're still in, right?
No, I just got tagged out of that.
No, Celine.
I know.
See?
are you mocking the Australian no, Nick?
Yes,
No,
they
I
all
would
do
never.
it.
But Celine, is this not proof enough that you should
What?
move your stop always a little bit lower than the low?
Literally
Just a little bit.
low.
Just a little bit.
Hey, but what about my goat stop loss the other day? That's what I was hoping.
It was goated. It was goated.
Oh.
But by now you could be goat of stop loss says. You're only goat of stop loss.
This is gonna piss me off. Oh, and NQ didn't even sweep that. Didn't even hit my stop loss, bruh.
Hey, Celine, you see that? Leia says, every time Mateo sees you guys, he asks, where's Potato? And after school, when he sees Potato, he always says, are Nick and Celine there?
Aww.
Shout out to
Hi,
Mateo.
Mateo.
Mateo, the dinosaur legend.
Oh, that's even more rage right now.
NQ's rage baiting you right now.
Well, literally, just as I was about to give it room because I like this trade a lot. Like I like the levels we've just swept. I mean, this is a very clean long for me to be in.
I did just take the long actually here.
Very nice, very nice.
You guys going off the 1 minute inversion?
I'm not in.
I don't trade inversions.
Off the reaction here from that level.
Which inversion are you looking for? The 1 minute? It's just closed above. Roughly.
I'm not. Celine is.
I am not in this right now. I got stop loss on that second trade, so I'm just gonna wait now. I need the 2-minute low to sweep.
137. Catch it on the way up. You'll probably be able to catch it on the way up. Let it go past.
Oh yeah, I do think this is going to be a nice clean reversal day. I'm just got to time it. Is that really?
Time it properly, yeah.
I mean, the issue even here is that today I'm trading micros. Normally I'd be trading the minis and...
Ooh. Why are you trading micros today?
Today, because I took the gold long win already, so I just wanted to size down, not risk like too much of the capital. You know? And not give back the profits. Celine cooked. Yes, well and truly the business lens. You can say today, Celine got cooked. But I am very much liking the longs here. For anyone who is in the longs, is still in, who traded this with minis. We now have an SMT form with ES. So that is a cleaner indication of a potential reversal here. Yeah, there's a lot of room now to the upside as well. We have this entire leg down to retrace, really. Asia high still intact. It's going to be a nice long. I'm just going to wait.
It'll be a nice long. It will be a nice long. I think New York is going to be... I think it's going to be a nice long on New York. Let's see.
Oh, who knows with New York?
Let's see on the weekly. Oh, well, if it's not... I think... Ooh. Hang on. We're only 225 points from a weekly imbalance. We've got a weekly gap there. Who knows? Maybe we'll continue, but it will retrace. You will get your longs within London session.
Thank you, Hussein.
I think you will, hopefully.
I see people asking, why did I go along? Here you go. If you go to my screen, Roman, really quick. If you look at this on the hourly, right? I gave you this GP, I think, yesterday already. I think so. So basically, like fibs from current year low 23,772 up to 24,764, and the 0.618 was tapped. We got a 5-minute bullish reaction to it, and that's when I take my longs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we wait and see.
Was your stops, Nick?
Below the low. Below the low.
Oh, good. So there's a stop in today.
There's what?
Well, sometimes you respond to me like, what's a stop?
That's just when the chat tells you to full port. If chat tells you to full port, you can't set a stop. That's just against the rules, you know?
That is
Can't
true.
do that. Can't do that.
TP3. Incoming.
Please don't.
Yeah. He's rubbing it in.
Great
I
high
don't want
time
you to
frames.
TP3.
High time frames do not lie. But this will be, I think I will even get into the long with you guys.
What's your TP3? What level?
140, exactly. I like having TPs at whole numbers because that's usually where most orders sit.
I have to laugh at this. Pro Forex Live says, Celine, stop talking shit to people long in a downtrend. You better measure your trading wisdom, girl. First of all, I'm just putting it out there what I like, what I'm seeing in the markets. You guys don't need to copy at all or be influenced or any of that. This is not like a signal channel, so I'm not talking shit. I actually do like the idea of the longs here, that's all. And to each their own.
All right. You can't please everyone.
Get roasted, Celine.
Of course.
You cannot please everyone. People weren't happy with Jesus, so who are we to make everyone happy?
Black Tackle wants to copy your chart settings, Celine.
Oh, my chart settings? No way. See, guys, little do you know, I was copying shit from Nick before about my white charts.
Black Panther colors.
True
Pink
OGs.
Panther.
Pink Panther colors.
Pink Panther, not Black Panther. That's a whole different
Give me
movie.
that freaking 5-minute close through 210, and I'm gonna be very confident in this long.
I'm sorry, this guy's saying I talk with such authority, like you invented whole order. Did I, chat? Please let me know if I'm talking with authority. I only ever tell you guys what I think, what I like in the markets.
True.
I am no market maker and I am no pro. Never have claimed to be. But if you are being influenced by me in any way, please stop. I'm just a trader, and yeah, you guys have to be free to make your own trading decisions. Please do not come to our live stream and just copy trade, because you will never get anywhere with your trading if that's what you're doing.
True. However, everything that Celine tells you is financial advice. Put your entire network in it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Kidding.
Just scrap everything I said. This is all financial advice, and put all your life savings on this long.
Jokes.
Right, Kane? Just everything on the longs right now, right? Your entire savings? Everything?
You can lead the horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Celine, don't let this get to you.
Yeah, Shaq says, Celine, this guy just full ported just set up and got clapped. Now he's salty.
It's your show. Don't worry about these people. You can
I just feel bad.
People always have something to say.
Yeah, we love the trolls though.
Yeah, no, it genuinely gives us entertainment. And also, like, deep down, I feel bad if people do come here to copy trade, because that is not the idea of doing this. Like, we're trying to...
Trading is boring. If you do it on yourself, on your own, you'll be running up walls and bouncing off them. Trading is boring. So it's good to have like a little group, a community to do it with. and you're being supplied with some entertainment while you're doing it. Bit of banter, bit of laughs, giggles, tomato sauce.
We always try and make it fun.
Tomato sauce. Well, that didn't end well for Celine.
Yeah, let's not. I hate that this is live and that's now recorded.
I'm gonna clip that shit. You better believe me.
I don't know with Google. We're now in an age where Google is not as factual anymore. There are definitely better places to get your facts, kids. I don't trust Google anymore.
Yeah, get your facts from Celine AI. But always be advised, it's fake news.
Can you do a Trump voice, Nick? Fake news?
No, I can't. I only always say huge.
You gotta do the hands with it. Fake news. Fake news.
Fake news.
With the hands.
Nick can do many accents though. You want to?
I can do accents, but I can't do Trump's voice. It's just too weird, too odd.
China.
Come on, NQ now. Pump it up. Take some inspiration from Hussein's pilot license and fly. Come on now. What's up with Kane?
He's bringing up that outro. I hate him now. He said Celine is the outro king.
Kane, she can't outro today, unfortunately. She's going to go and
paste the links in the chat. So it's up to Nick.
Up to what? What's happening?
People asking for socials. I can't post them.
Oh, we can...
Oh, yeah. Wait, let me pull it up again. I mean, I'm assuming you have your links on your Instagram, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just send them the Instagram. Here you go, chat.
I've got my TikTok, about 9K in there.
Captain's Instagram, here you go.
Jeez.
Did we hit the like goal, by the way? Let's see.
Pardon?
Did we?
Ew, we're at 361 likes. Chat, we need 400.
100 more likes. 100 likes. They start giving away accounts.
Not even. 460. 416 is what we need. 416.
Let's see if we can get it before TP3.
Yo, wait. Celine, did you just time out Kane?
Yes.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yeah.
Are you serious? The guy was trolling. He brought up that outro and he knows how I felt about that.
No, I told him you're not going to do an outro today because you have to go make a sandwich. What are you talking about?
He went there, did he?
Nick, I wish I could ban you, but this is your stream.
You can never. Okay,
Roman could. I bet Roman could.
Roman could actually. He could just take me off.
Whatever.
Roman says Kane went to prison. He did. For 10 seconds, now he's back.
Yeah, it was only 10 seconds. I did a light one. It's just a warning, Kane. Okay. Watch you, Roman.
He's
serenading Roman. Oh, he's testing the general.
Yeah, might be cooked. Not true, Business Lens, not true. I do time out as well. If somebody is an ass, I'll time him out. Especially if somebody's disrespectful.
Oh, yeah. We don't play.
Towards Celine, I'll ban you, immediately.
That's right. It's happened before, guys. Don't test him.
True.
Nick's like the big protective bro. He will, knock you guys out.
There's
brother Nick.
Weirdos in the chat.
Yeah.
Leia says, what? Business? He bans people all the time. Nah, Leia, chill. Not all the time. Matt bans people all the time. It's Matt's favorite thing to do.
You guys don't want free accounts?
What are we at?
Come on, get the likes up. 416 likes, you get free accounts. What's wrong?
We're at 402 now. 14 more likes.
We're close.
More likes.
Before TP3, let's see if they can do it. They wouldn't do it. They can't. If they could, they would have. They're literally saying free accounts.
Love it.
In times like these, with markets like these, you'd want a free account in the back pocket.
Facts.
Yeah,
Let
but
the
the
man
thing is,
speak.
Hussein, some days, these guys don't hit the mark, and we can't give them free accounts. It's the craziest thing. Like,
8 more likes. I can't see the likes. Is it 8 more?
Ah, we did it. We did it. Chat, we did it. Let's go.
Let's go.
hey, let's
Great
go.
work.
Good job.
Great work.
Good job. All right.
Okay, giveaway. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Let's spin to see which account we're gonna give away. So chat, if you want to take part in this giveaway, all you're gonna do is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well. You know that. Here we go. I'll give you like 5 minutes to fill it out.
Kieran. Kieran's onto something.
Justin says, I'm going to enter last and win. All right. Just don't miss the deadline, man. Don't miss the deadline.
Can I enter, please?
Everybody can. Hussein, you can too.
I'm actually giving away 3 accounts.
You
Tradeify account.
enter and you can give away 4. You're just going to win.
Ooh, actually. Let's wait for... I'm going to wait for TP3. I'll let people...
It would be so funny if he wins, actually.
If I win that...
I've won.
By the way,
we got 10 more minutes.
Wait, you timed Kane out again?
You know what he asked? Look at his comment.
Oh, yeah, Kane, that
very-
deserves the timeout. That deserves
He's a
the
bad
timeout.
example for these guys. We're very serious about that, and he's coming and taking the absolute piss out of us. So.
Kane,
Nope.
for that, you will get a timeout from me as well, by the way. Just
Yeah,
saying.
you were busy. I'm being a bully?
Thank you. Celine is the big bro now, protecting me.
That's right. Nick would have easily, but he was too busy, so I had to come in and
Oh, yeah.
kick you out of here.
Yeah. Team London, let's go.
That's right. The only Team London.
True. True.
I'm going to loan shit out of Hussein's call. Well, you
Scooting
could
myself.
after the call hits TP3.
Nah,
A bit late to long my call.
I don't want your TP3. I want up.
You probably will.
Kane says, my fave duo on the internet. Aw, my fave Kane on the internet.
How long till this? We've got 10 more minutes, I believe, for me.
Yep.
Or if I get out with TP3, I'm just going to do a mic drop. Let me find a microphone. I'll use my one. Just be Obama out. Remember when Obama did it? Obama out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well,
That
he's
was a G move.
Barack Hussein Obama. So you see it.
There you go.
Oh yeah, I could see it.
No TP3. Sorry. Okay, we'll see.
Yeah, no, we got to go up now. Sorry, I'm in longs.
We'll see.
Can't have those TP3s.
Hey, come
around
on.
here.
110 points.
Look, it's fair. You make money. Now we can go up. I can make
100.
money. We're all good.
I mean, it's not TP3 right now, but come on. But it will be.
You make money, so.
If it gets TP3, I win an account. How's that? And I give it away. Deal?
Now, if you get TP3, I'm going to be pissed, and I'm not going to give away any accounts.
Oh. I'll just get out of here now. Nice to meet you guys.
Sorry, chat.
Hey.
We're kidding. But just go up, NASDAQ. Thank you.
I like it for the longs. I don't know. I still think it's going up.
It's going up. Nobody knows the lyrics. Nobody knows the lyrics.
Why are all the good songs like you just don't know the lyrics? It's the
I don't know
same.
any lyrics, like from any songs. That's funny.
It's like what we were singing the other day. Ordinary.
Oh, yeah.
Sanctuary.
Just these 2 words. Those are the lyrics. All right. Shall we do a giveaway? Giveaway.
do it.
Let's do it. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Giveaway
over.
That's the rhymes. You gotta get away,
Oh, damn. We have a lot of people in that giveaway form. It's going to be a battle. Speaking of battles, no, I'm kidding. All right. Wheel of names. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go.
I'm spinning it at the same time, so we see who wins and what they win. Let's see.
Let's go.
Why is this Boca still on here? I'm going to remove this Boca now. But then I need to add another 50k growth. I'll add another 50k select. What the hell? All right. Let's do it. Let's spin it.
Let's go.
Winner gets a 50k growth account, and the winner is
Nice.
Trader Dragon.
Oh, I thought it was Trader Kane for a second.
That would have been funny.
Oh no.
Trader Dragon, type something in the chat.
Nice, congrats.
Congrats. Ooh, that almost stopped me out. Ooh, that was very close. Look at that. Gee. It didn't though. It didn't. Trader Dragon, are you there?
Yeah,
Yep,
are you here?
There he is. Says,
There
hi.
is.
Hi. All right, Trader Dragon. All you got to do to claim your account is you have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify account. And we're going to be reaching out to you and sending you your free 50k growth account within the next 7 days. However, Trader Dragon, would you like to play Double or Nothing?
Ooh, would you like to play a game?
We can if you want to. You can spin the wheel again and potentially win 2 accounts or potentially walk away with nothing. You can even let me know how many fields you want. Okay, so I'm going to put, that would be 1 double, 1 nothing. You can do 2 doubles, 2 nothings. Obviously, you can't do 3. That doesn't work.
You lose nothing, you'll gain more.
True.
I mean,
know.
you didn't have the account to begin with. You don't
He
have
says,
it now.
No, I'm good. He's good.
You get it in 7 days. So I take the punt.
Zane is baiting him. But he doesn't want it. So congrats, Trader Dragon.
Well done, Dragon.
Congrats.
3 account.
Do you have an applause sound?
I do.
No, we do this.
Like that?
We do the golf.
I don't know, man. Someone's going to screenshot me doing that.
Clip it, chat. Clip it. I'm getting stopped here. It looks like.
Oh no.
Don't give him his TP3. Now I'm happy if you get TP3. I'm just pissed because I could stop that.
It's not time for the reversals, is it?
Nope.
Well, maybe it is. Who knows?
140 to 137.
Who knows? We'll see.
It needs to hit a high time frame level. This is just random right now.
It's never over until it's over. We know it.
That is right.
We have plenty of proof for that here on stream.
We've seen that time and time again on this stream.
For real. All the time.
Well done, everybody that took the trade. Thank you for trusting.
Yeah, well, it's awesome that, I mean, you came on first stream with Tradeify TV and you took the win. So
oh yeah,
man,
it's awesome.
Always down to come. If you guys don't mind.
Yeah,
I'm happy to join whenever you need.
I love having a fellow Aussie around. Trust me, I need the backup sometimes.
Yeah, with all these haters around.
Well, they just don't get me. These guys, like, I'm always copying it. So I'm glad I had the support today
Nice
from
to the lady. Believe me, you don't want to get her upset. She's Aussie and Lebanese.
Oh yeah.
Trust me, I know. If anyone's going to turn your world upside down when they want to. No.
We got Ursula in the chat asking Captain, do you trade ICT?
Who?
There you go. There's an answer for you, Ursula.
All right, I'm probably going to get hated for this, but guys, ICT rebranded concepts that have been around before ICT's grandfather was around. I'm happy, even if he's in the chat right now.
It's the truth.
He will not disagree.
I'm waiting for all the haters to come out.
So look at Wyckoff.
You call it Wyckoff?
It's just a Wyckoff, whatever. Do you cut opal? No, that's Western Australia.
Celine,
Hmm.
look at this. I might have gotten Nicholas Wickles.
Dude, no.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
What else is new here?
What?
What happened?
Look at my stop on my screen.
Oh,
Look at the bounce off his.
It's the literal bottom tip.
There's got to be a strategy that looks into your stop losses, like just buying your.
I swear.
100% win rate.
Chat, we might have done it again. We might have done it again.
it's all the same stuff.
Kane, you are
Yes.
so smart. I have to learn from you. He says, you know
How
the
did you
problem
get
with that,
so
Nick?
smart?
If you don't have a stop, I can't get hit. Ah, you're a genius.
He's
How
onto
did-
something.
This is how he made all that money.
If it's
Yeah.
one micro, you shouldn't be worried about a stop. Come on, Nick. How big's your size?
That was 1 mini.
Ah,
A little mini.
literally.
Just a little mini.
All right, who's the next winner? What have I got? I've got 30 seconds, guys. What do you think? Are we going to get TP3 before I leave?
Yeah, you did
Oh,
that. You
come
almost
on.
got it. You
Oh,
almost got it.
really close there. 4 points.
That was close.
4 points.
That was very close.
Ooh.
I think you should get it now. We're so close. We're also like, this is the area, if we were to remain bullish, in my opinion, like we need to hold
Here it comes. Here it
the
comes.
137.
CPT in the chat. TP3.
Oh.
150.
Hey, there we
Nice.
go. W's in the
job.
chat, everybody. Put
Guys,
them
smash
W's
those
in the chat
W's.
for
Exactly.
Captain Hussein. Hey.
And expect your longs anytime soon.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Now we can go long. We got the
Thank you,
okay
everyone.
from the captain.
Absolute
Appreciate
fire.
you all. What a
Very
lovely trade,
nice.
lovely entry.
We're gonna do this really quick. Our normal outro chat. Put a W in the chat if you love this stream, and especially a W for Hussein. Also put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it. We're gonna be back with another New York session stream at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time as usual, and then tomorrow, London 8 a.m. We're gonna be back with another London session stream, and we're gonna catch Zapdos live on stream as we did with Mewtwo yesterday. It's gonna be good. Before we leave, though, Hussein, any last inspiring, motivating words?
Oh, last inspiring, motivating words. Okay.
There.
Okay. We do psychology. You guys want some mentality?
Whatever
You're
you
the
feel.
host. Whatever you feel. Okay. So there's a driving analogy that I say to some of my mentorship students. When you learn to drive, you're still new, you're checking mirrors, indicator, you're holding your steering wheel like this, but eventually you don't even notice these things. You're just doing them because you've adopted a system. You've got a motor skill. Same as trading. When you keep doing over the same system over and over again, your rules, your routines, you will eventually start doing these things on your own. You will be managing your risk properly. You will size properly. You will not enter. You will actually feel bad if you took a good trade that wins. If it wasn't part of your plan, you would be upset. So it gets to that level where you will start to notice when you're doing the bad thing, and you will have the control over yourself to stop it. I can get more into it, but probably out of time. How long have I got, Nick?
Well, we're pretty much done.
We're already, yeah.
You guys are done. Okay, I'm done too.
We are pretty much done. Celine, anything
I
weird?
wanna go
Awesome.
over-
No,
over the time limit.
Yeah, awesome. We've loved having you on, Hussein. Hopefully we will have the captain back, guys. Obviously kill a
If they
trade
want
from
me
you.
back, I'm more than happy.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Decide.
But yeah, kill a trade. You definitely showed the chat. You showed us how it is to be calm, cool, collected in a trade. And yeah, I hope the chat learned a lot. I'm sure they would have gained a lot from this session today. But guys, we will be back tomorrow, same time, Nick and I, obviously, you know, we're going to catch that Zapdos, so be there.
Yeah.
We'll try catch a trade, but we're definitely catching Zapdos. You know how it is.
You're going to catch this long, I promise you.
Oh yeah, we're going to try catch his long too.
To catch the long to 255.
Right.
Back to entry.
Love you all.
Love you guys. See you tomorrow.
Take care. Thank you, everyone.